The Pixel 10 and Pixel 10 Pro are coming soon, and the official launch is expected on August 20th. People are getting excited, and there are good reasons for that. While the phones may look the same from the outside, a lot of big changes are expected. On the inside, let's talk about 7 of the most interesting features that could make the Pixel 10 a big upgrade this year. First, let's talk about the new processor. This year, Google is expected to launch its first completely custom-made chip called the Tensor G5. In past years, Google worked with Samsung to make its chips. But now, Google is working with TSMC to build this new chip using a 3nm process. That means the phone should be faster, use less battery, and run more smoothly. Since Google is designing the chip from scratch, they can make it work better with AI, improve battery life, and boost camera performance. This could make a big difference in how the phone feels and performs. Second, the regular Pixel 10 is finally getting a telephoto camera. In the past, this was only available on the Pro models. But now, rumors say that the base model will have the same 11-megapixel camera that was used in the Pixel 9 Pro Fold. This is great news for people who like to zoom in on things or take better portrait photos. Having a zoom lens on the standard Pixel 10 will give users more options when taking pictures. Next is a new feature called telemacro photography. This combines the zoom and ultra-wide cameras to take really detailed close-up pictures. For example, if you're trying to take a photo of a flower or an insect, this mode will help you capture all the little details while keeping the background nicely blurred. This should be a big improvement compared to using just the ultra-wide camera for macro shots, which sometimes doesn't look very sharp. Another cool update is improved video stabilization. If you take a lot of videos, you'll love this feature. Leaks say the Pixel 10 will have much better stabilization, so your videos will look smooth, even if you're walking or moving the phone around. You won't need a special tool like a gimbal to make it steady. This could help the Pixel compete more with the iPhone when it comes to video quality. Google is also trying to make the display easier on the eyes. They're improving something called PWM dimming. This is a way the screen controls brightness. On some phones, the screen flickers at low brightness, which can cause eye strain or headaches. But with a higher PWM dimming rate, the screen flickers less, making it more comfortable to use, especially at night. Wireless charging is also getting better. The Pixel 10 is expected to support the new Chat to wireless charging system. This means faster charging with less heat. However, since the Pixel might not have magnets built into the phone like the iPhone, you may need a special magnetic case to get the full benefit. Still, it's a welcome update for people who like wireless charging. Last but not least, Google is focusing more on AI with something new called Magic Q. This is a smarter version of Google's digital assistant. It's designed to understand what you're doing on your phone and offer help automatically. For example, if you're planning a trip or texting someone about dinner, Magic Q might suggest directions, restaurant options, or remind you of your calendar. It's powered by Google's Gemini AI and works in a secure environment to protect your privacy. You won't even need to ask, it just helps you based on what you're doing. So to sum it all up, the Pixel 10 and Pixel 10 Pro are not just small upgrades. They come with a powerful new chip, better cameras, improved video, more eye-friendly screens, faster wireless charging, and smarter AI. While the outside may not change much, what's inside could make the Pixel 10 one of the best phones this year. All eyes are now on August 20th. That's when we'll see which of these features are real and whether the Pixel 10 can truly challenge the iPhone and Galaxy phones. Stay tuned for more updates as we get closer to the launch.